In this video, we are going to learn how to deal with these physics exam repeated questions under magnetic field and flux density. So we are going to practice with 6 repeated questions for this subtopic in magnetic field. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, when a magnet is placed in a solenoid through which an alternating current is flowing, and the solenoid is placed with its axis pointing in an east-west direction, it, option A, becomes demagnetized, turns to a permanent magnet, becomes stronger, turns to a soft magnet. So the right option is option A. It will become demagnetized. Very important. Take note of this question, guys. I have often seen it repeated. Next repeated question will be this one. It says, the point at which the resultant magnetic flux density is 0 is called, we have option A, magnetic point, flux point, neutral point, 0 point. So the right option is option C, which is neutral point. Next question will be this one. It says, a charged particle is moving in a uniform magnetic field. If the direction of motion of the charged particle is parallel to the magnetic field, the path of the charge will, option A, be a straight line, curve inwards, be a parabola, curve outwards. So the right option will be option A, which is it will be a straight line. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says, a horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field and the magnetic field of a straight wire X carries current into the plane of a paper. Which of the following figures correctly illustrates the resultant magnetic field pattern in the horizontal plane? So this is figure A, figure B, figure C, and figure D. So the right figure to this question that represents what the question is talking about, or that illustrates what the question is talking about, is this figure B. Okay, so that's the right one. Take note of it in case it gets repeated again. The next question will be this one. It says, when the downward current flows in a straight vertical conductor, the direction of its magnetic field at a point due north of the wire is south, north, upward, west. So when you basically find the expression, you are going to arrive at west. I've drafted it out on my worksheet here. So you're going to arrive at west. So the right option is option D. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says, which of the following expressions equal the magnetic flux? Now guys, pay attention to this particular question. Okay, so the right expression that equals a magnetic flux is this option D. Very important, guys, for this question. Okay, it will save you a lot. Take note of it. So this basically you can do with problems involving magnetic field and flux density. But this is practice with 6 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you're new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below. I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting special information that will help to simplify your academic work. So having known that, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.